Good morning, all of you. We will see question number 6. So, question number 6 is ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So, we have to draw a quadrilateral inside a circle. So, let us take one circle and we are drawing a quadrilateral inside the circle. So, A, B, C, D. Okay. Secondly, it is given to us that the diagonals of this quadrilateral intersect at the point E. So A, B, C, D. This is the cyclic quadrilateral, and these are two diagonals, that is BD and AC. Both the diagonals intersect at the point E. Okay. Now we have given some angles. Angle DBC, this angle is given to us 70. Angle BAC given to us as 30. Also AB is equal to AC. These two are also equal. It is given to us. We have to find the measure of angle BCD. BCD. This angle we have to find. And angle ECD. ECD. This angle. We have to find this angle also as well as this angle. So let us start. Okay, let us see this triangle. Now this angle is 30 degree. So this angle is also 30. What is the reason? This is the chord and these are two angles on the same chord. So I told you if there are angles on the same chord with the circumference, angles are always equal. So this is 30 means this is also 30. So angle BDC is also 30 degree. Okay. Let us take this triangle. Triangle BDC. So in this triangle BDC, the sum of these three angles should be 180. So what we can write? 70 plus 30 plus this angle. So 70 plus 30, 70 plus 30 plus angle BCD is equal to 180. So 70 plus 30 is 100 plus angle BCD equal to 180. So angle BCD, it will be now 180 minus 100. So how much will get? 80. So angle BCD. So how much I got this angle? Angle BCD. So angle BCD is equal to 80 degree. So this one, the first answer I got, it is 80. Second, we have to find angle ECD. So angle ECD. Now you see here, see nicely, okay? These two sides are equal. You see here as given to us. AB is equal to AC. So these two are equal. So if these two are equal, means these two angles are also equal. So if this is 30, this angle should be also how much? 30. So angle ACB. This should be also how much? Equal to 30. So this angle is 30. Just now we got BCD. That means this complete angle is 80. This angle is 30. So this angle should be 80 minus 30. So angle ECD it should be 80 minus 30. So you should get 50 degree. So this angle should be how much? 50. See, total angle is 80 degree, okay? And now see, these two are equal. So this is 30, this is also 30. So 30 plus what number will give you 80? So it should be 50. So angle ECD is equal to 50 degree. Thank you.